What are the advantages and disadvantages of the synthetic materials? The fibers which are obtained from cellulose, the natural fiber, they are easily regenerated. Synthetics made by petrochemicals are heat and moisture resistant. They are not affected by it and they do not absorb moisture. They are used, the synthetic material, they are used in the manufacture of bulletproof jackets. Bulletproof jackets, those which protect a person from any bullet which is fired at him. They are used in aircraft wings, they are used in different areas. The disadvantage of these materials is the reckless cutting down of the trees. So when the requirement will increase, the industries will cut down the trees at a fast rate, and this will affect the environment. This leads to environmental imbalance, and when there is imbalance, then the environment is affected. So the topic which we read in this chapter was the pollution and the use of the resources. Now in fill in the blanks, the air and dash are essential for the existence. So air and water are very essential for the dash of humans, for the existence of humans, for the survival of humans. You can write dash produces most of our electricity. So it is coal. Coal is used to produce most of the electricity, and it is also, coal is also an important fossil fuel. You know that. Then next is dash and are called dash fibers. These are called fibers as cellulose. So it is what is called the regenerated fibers. So you have to write that they are called regenerated fibers as cellulose is not a synthetic. Rayon are called regenerated fibers because they use cellulose. The cellulose is not synthetic. So cellulose is the plant fiber, that is why rayon is called a regenerated fiber. Then dash was the first plastic, so it is celluloid which was used in the beginning. Then dash prevents the surface on which it is applied. Wherever this is applied, it protects a surface, so that is a paint, the enamel which is used on the in the houses. Next is true and false. The English education spread by the Britishers widens the gap between the east and the west. That means wherever English education is provided, it makes the gap between the eastern one culture and the other culture more. This is wrong because it actually helps to reduce the gap. The forests are cleared in large number due to their commercial value. It provides teak wood and sandalwood. So whenever there is any cutting of tree, then the forests are cleared due to their commercial value. They can be sold, the parts of the tree can be sold easily. Examples of natural fibers are acetates and triacetates. Yes, these are the chemicals which are used in the synthetic fibers. Oil paints are powder with only drops of oil in them. Oil paints contain oil and they contain drops of oil or resin also. Detergents also are used as emulsifiers in many appliances. Detergents are used as emulsifiers. Emulsifier is they help to break the dirt molecules into smaller parts so that they can be cleaned easily. This is how the resources help the human beings from making that bad effect on the environment. So from this chapter we do the objective type of question only. So this much is there in your EVS.